What's up, y'all? Know it's your boy Shots to the Man. Yeah, now a lot of y'all, you know what I'm saying, you know I put you onto the whip game, put you onto a lot of things about the car game. You got any questions, holla at me. Right now, you know what I'm saying, you in a nigga's kitchen. Hold on, just for the moment of silence for the brand new Italian tile. Yeah, they just put this down last night. Isn't this shit cool as hell, man? Pure Italian. Alright, fuck that shit. Anyway, okay, alright. So, I was at my nigga's crib, okay? And I was trying to tell the nigga if he could just do small things to his shit, like his kitchen and his bathroom, he'll have women everywhere, dropping vagina panties all over the place. You know what I'm saying? He thought I was bullshitting. So I said, look, I'm going to do a video of just something small like my refrigerator. You know what I mean? And I'm going to show you that I'm real with the shit. Alright, hold on, one more thing. Y'all see this shit? It's a chrome garbage can. I ain't never seen no chrome garbage can. The shit's from Egypt and it flips over like this. Ain't that some cool shit? Alright, fuck that shit, fuck that shit. Okay, alright. So, if you have an assortment of drinks in your fridge, it's going to open up the world. Women are going to come over here, they're going to be comfortable. I know it sounds silly, but I want y'all to feel me on this right now. Oh yeah, nigga made a pizza. Well, I was hungry. Okay, fuck that shit, fuck that shit. Okay, bang! Now, I know a lot of y'all like, come on, man. Why you got nothing but drinks in your shit? Why you ain't got no food? I'm going to tell you why. See, when different women come over, different women like different things, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? So, like, for the mature, this real talk, for the mature chick, you know, over 30, who still drinks juice, you hit her with the Mystic. They always get Mystics. I don't know why. You know what I'm saying? Then the Snapples, that's for like the suburban chicks. You know, they come over here, they be like, oh my god, Chai City, like, do you have anything to drink? And then I'm like, yeah, Becky, I got fucking Snapples off. Oh my god, you have so many flavors. This is crazy. I don't even know which one to take. And I'll be like, man, just whatever you want to take, yo, you know what I'm saying? Now, the vitamin water, that's for like the chicks, you know what I'm saying, who stay in shape. You know, they might come over to your crib after they leave the gym, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? The Smirnoff Ices, you dig? That's for like the chicks who, you know, it's their first time coming over here. They want to get their drink on, but they don't know you well enough to get drunk around you. So they just get their buzz on with the Smirnoff Ice. Okay, now y'all already, now if you're a real nigga, I ain't gotta say. The Cherry Coke, that's for the hood chicks. Cause I got Flamin' Hots, and then I hit them with the Cherry Coke, they in. The Red Bull, that's really for me. I ain't gonna front. I'll be kind of tired in the morning. Then I hit them with the Hawaiian Punch, the Sierra Mist, the Pepsi. As you see, this shit goes all the way to the back. There ain't no front shit. Exactly, I stay stocked with the shit. Arizona iced tea, really for the classy, bougie hood chick, you know. She too good for the Cherry Coke, so she drinks the ice. Right, okay. Then the Lipton, the green tea, man, that's for the holistic, you know, vegetarian, I don't eat meat, and I'm real earthy type, you know, fucking Erykah Badu chicks, you know what I'm saying? And of course, niggas, for the hood chicks, bam! I got a draw Kool-Aid, nigga. What flavor you want? You know what I'm saying? I mean, damn. You know, I might go with the... Yeah, I'm gonna get the blue one, because as I said. Okay, then we got water, again, for the in-shape chicks. You know what I'm saying? We got the Perrier water for the fucking, you know, sedity chicks, more vitamin water shit. Now, hold on, one more thing. If you a real nigga, though, real niggas, you only got two... Damn, I'm really throwing shit. You only got two things in your shit. Sweet Baby Ray's, nigga. Yeah, that shit, man, on point. And then, motherfucking ranch. I mean, if shit, niggas, we don't eat blue cheese. Black people don't eat blue cheese. We eat ranch. And hey, look, my dad was over here the other day. He thought I was playing. I can't believe it's not butter, man. This shit, you could drink this shit, man, and it ain't butter. It's like butter flavored, but it ain't butter. Shit is real fucking good, man. Real talk. Now, a lot of y'all saying, well, what about, you know, for the hold on, get money, get paid. Okay, alright, we cool. Now. Sometimes the women, they bring their kids over here, you know what I'm saying, be fucking me up, because I'm trying to hit that ass. Right, so you know what I did, nigga? Bam! Hit them little niggas with a freeze pop. That's right, nigga. So she bring a kid over here, and I said, well, you want a freeze pop, little nigga? Because he just gonna cock block you anyway. Hit him with a motherfucking freeze pop. All type of flavors. We got like fucking 400 in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? And if you like me, every once in a while, you might kick it with a big girl with a pretty face, but just a fat girl. Hit it with the pizzas, the motherfucking ice cream sandwiches. I got pretzels, Eggos, you know, hell. Well, look, I got even more shit for them. Hold on. Then you open up this. Bam! Snacks on snacks, nigga. 4, 7, 8, 9 different flavors of cereal. We got Pop-Tarts. Man, we got popcorn, toffee, wheat thins. Nigga, what you want? I tell the big girl, baby, come on, get your snack on, baby. Feel comfortable. You know, you breathing heavy as hell. I know you hungry. You know, 7 different flavors of chips. Got chips in this month. I mean, damn. Now, sometimes, okay, if a girl bring her kid over to your spot, you know what I'm saying, you gotta throw him off. So that's why I'm gonna take y'all over here. Let me walk to the front room right quick. You gotta throw that little nigga off, okay? Cause he gonna cock block you cause he don't want you near his mom. So then you take the little 5-year-old kid, you say, look little nigga, which one you wanna play? You wanna play the PS3 or the Xbox? See, that's gonna fuck him up because he ain't used to having an option. Then you let him play on the big ass screen. You see I got the PS3 on right now. So, bam, again, just the PS3, Xbox. Or if you don't want to do that, let him just watch cable on the cable Comcast box. Let him do his motherfucking thing. You know what I'm saying? And it's all good. Well, anyway, that's all I really want to put y'all niggas on to. Have your crib set up, man, to make the girl feel good. You know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, she gonna be making you feel good. You niggas already know. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and get my... Yeah, let me go ahead and get my thing. Oh, where my Kool-Aid at? Damn. Get my Kool-Aid. Oh yeah, one more thing. To the makers of Kool-Aid, would you niggas stop putting the juice all the way to the top? Cause when I twist the motherfucking cap, I put it, the shit explodes like a goddamn grenade. Then I got blue juice all over my white carpet. Look, man, I appreciate you trying to give me as much juice for the value, but look, put the juice, cause look, so look at this shit. See, now the juice is all at the top. You see, put the juice down here so when I open it, it don't spill everywhere. Okay? Trust me, I ain't gonna miss it. You know, these motherfuckers cost like $5 for $1, okay? Thank you. Anyway, y'all know, Shot City, man. Do your thing, get your whip game proper, get your crib together, and remember, get money, get paid. Alright, I'm out of here.